Hey guys, so while it wind's down, I'm making their flower beds, garden beds, for just for more vegetables this season. It's been windy the past couple of days, hence why we haven't been able to do any videos, but I hope you guys enjoy.
Good job, boys. Look at mommy.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple weeks since our last video. Part of the reason being is it's been ridiculously windy outside, as you can see, probably at the beginning of this video. But so we've done a lot of stuff in the wind. We got a table. The table actually is really cool. So it's a picnic table, but it also folds over into benches. So eventually we'll have a little fireplace out here, and then we'll have two little benches to sit around the fireplace. But we did that. We also moved some compost in for the gardens. We finished our other two garden beds. And I think each one of those cost us right around $25 with screws and boards both together. And then also we over here in the goat chicken yard, we moved the chicken coop from its original spot over here to the chicken yard.
And then what boards are these? Are they 1x3s?
It's a good question. I don't remember what boards they are.
I think they're 1x3s. But we've never done beds with these size boards, and they turned out really, really nice. They're really pretty.
And our onions and tomatoes are starting to grow real well.
Yeah, that's doing good.
Especially well. So.
And all of the wisteria is blooming, which is so nice. We got the red bud and the helicopter tree.
The previous owner had somebody come over. She lives in Texas. She's 101 years old. Her name's Annabelle. And she had somebody come over because she remembered the flowers and when they bloom, and asked for the other person to go get a picture of these flowers.
Which was so sweet. So these were really special to her. And now we get to enjoy them. So yeah. Hey Sprout, that's another thing. Sprout's been sick recently. We think he has a stomach ulcer, but we're not for sure, so he's been in the ICU of our house.
We're gonna go let the other goats out if you guys want to come along. By the way, happy Resurrection Sunday.
So we are clipping the chicken feathers. I just want to show y'all if you've never done this. So they have two types of feathers. They have the primary feathers and they have the secondary feathers. These are the primary right here. This is what you're going to clip off. These are the secondary. You do not want to clip those off because that's what keeps them warm at night. So what you do is you use these kind of as a line to know where to cut. You start at the beginning of their primary feathers. So for this one, it's right here. Be still. And you just start cutting. You want to hold their arm out? Yeah.
Wing.
And you always only want to clip one wing. So this is what it looks like now, and that'll keep them from getting over fences and getting out of your coop. And then we also put bands on all their feet because we had a chicken escape when we were clipping their wings.
Oh, yeah.
So now they all have little bands around them.
Either green or yellow. That's what their colors are.
did you get? Your basket and some paint? So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna boil some eggs. Then we can sit at the table and paint them. Does that sound fun?
Yes.
Baba, smile. Isaac, smile. Say happy
Happy
resurrection
Resurrection
Sunday.
Sunday. Happy. Happy. Mama.
Yeah, we can play in just a sec.
Thanks.
Yep.
Good job.
I do mine.
So pretty.
I do mine.
Let me see them.
Oh, mine.
Can I see your Easter eggs? Let me see them. Ooh, so cool. Looks really good, Bubba.
No, you don't lick it.
Hey guys, so today what I'm gonna do, my task for today is to make sure I plant all this with Bermuda grass. So what I'm doing is I'm raking up all the dead grass, which you'll see here in a second. Raking up all the dead grass, putting it into this dumpster right here, giving it to the pigs or the chickens, it doesn't matter, it has a lot of bugs in it. And I'm gonna plant the seed and I'm gonna water it all. It's about 4 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The reason I did that is because I want the seed to be able to sit. I'm gonna water it after I finish seeding it, so I have time to saturate that seed, and then you'll have the sun for tomorrow, so it doesn't get baked in the morning sun. You have anything to add?
Yep.
What do you want to say? Okay, we're gonna plant that and that right there, according to Isaac. So, okie doke. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
Hey, Bubba, you want to try a red bud? You can eat it. Chew it up.
Hey guys, like always, just make sure you like, subscribe. If you guys got any questions about what you guys have seen over this video, go ahead and comment below and we'll get them answered for you, okay? Other than that, I hope you have a great day. It's beautiful out here in Oklahoma. So, yeah.